Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC U12 Plus to Nokia device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, hit the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now before closing it by hitting OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of HTC and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nokia. Also on HTC, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. Then tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Come on. Now, after selecting Got it, in here's some tip pop-up. Pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Keys section and copy all of those numbers before they expire. Then you need to click on Download after Word Add. You can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad, and hitting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Now you need to scan the QR code with your Nokia and wait. Sorry, misclick. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!